Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 17th of our math class tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to perform a regression model where both variables are log transformed, also known as per the log-log model. This method is widely used in biomedical and clinical research to handle the data that show exponential or multiplicative relationships, such as now for the triglycerides increased potentially with BMI or body weight. So we will use a sample biomedical dataset for the containing the 25 subject with following the variables for the BMI for the body mass index in independent variable, then another one variable for the triglycerides milligram per deciliter in our the dependent variable. Now the step by step analyzed in the regression model in with both variables log transformed analysis. So first of all, go to the top menu for the MedCalc software. The select to the statistics and select for the regression and select to the regression options. Then open the new tab for the regression options. The variable y, the selected for the triglycerides. So selected the triglycerides and variable x selected for the BMI. So selected and the regression equation selected for the log y is equal to a plus b log int x. So selected the options and select for the test residuals. The normal distributions already we discussed for the before video. So now selected for the Shapiro walk test. This is most suitable for the our data set. So then click to the OK button. Then now analyzed for the regression model in with both variable the log transformed in MedCalc software. So the first of all for the first one table in the least squares the regressions value for the sample size is at 25. The sample size coefficients of the determinations R square value 0.9951 and the residual standard deviations value 0.008937 and the second one table for the regression equations log into y is equal to minus 0.3542 plus 1.7583 log x and the table for the regression equations the parameter for the intercept and slope. The value of coefficients in the intercept minus 0.3542 and the slope value for the coefficients 1.7583 and the standard error value 0.03 and the 0.02. Then 95% of confidence interval value to the minus 0.243 to 0.27 and the scope 95% of confidence interval value the 1.70 to 1.81. Then the t value minus 9.47 and slope t value 68.31. Then the significant value less than 0.0001 and the analysis of the variation in the table the scores for the regressions the degrees of freedom value 1, sum of square value 0.37 and the measure square the mean square 0.37. Then the residuals for the degrees of freedom 23, the sum of square value 0.001 and the mean square 0.4079. Then the F ratio value 4667.4601 and significance value p less than 0.001. Then the residuals value, then the Shapiro walk test for the normal distributions the W is equal to 0.9543 and the p value 0.3123. Now the another one options in the regression model, the draw a scatter diagram with the regressions line. Click to the second one options, then open the new tab. For the regressions line, the selected for the y variable is a triglycerides and the variable x is a BMI. Then the already selected for the analysis the regression equation same for the log into y is equal to a plus b log into x. Then selected for the suitable options, the only the selected 95% of confidence. Then click to the OK button. Now the draw a graph for the scatter plot with the regression model in both variable for the log transformed data analysis. So the right click of the grid lines, the guide the grid lines. So the selected for the data format regression lines, then change to the color is a black, then size thickness or thin, so anyone selected, then click to the OK. Then select to the data, right click format marker, change to the color, then size, change to the marker styles, and fill the color, then marker size increased, then click to the OK. So this is a movable method for the data value. So the data already, the table already selected in the Time Romans font. If you want change to the font, click to the options. So this is for the analyzing method in the regression model where the both variable of log transformed and the scatter plot with the MedCalc software. And if you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box, I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this video.